Every tree that we plant is important that it does well because I want it to reach its full potential. We want to make sure that these trees that are put in the city's medians and the streets and in the parks are the best quality graded tree as we can at a young age. If a tree is expected to live 30, 40 years, that's longer than my time is going to be in terms of working years. And so it's important that we kind of get it right. Hi, my name is Dan Fendley and I am the Landscape Maintenance Chief over at Community Beautification. We take care of all landscaping in the city that is essentially not in a park setting. So anywhere there's a median or a right-of-way where there are trees purposely planted, but primarily my department is looking at anything that needs to be manicured, whether it's pruning, fertilizing, plant replacements. So yeah, we take care of anything that's kind of, in the landscape. We get up every day, we get to go out there and just play with nature. We have to do it safely because the environment that we're in, but I don't see it as a stressful job. My job is to keep Tallahassee beautiful. And I've got a great team that help you. So they're taking out more trees today, they're going to keep going? Yeah, everything that you learn, you can apply practically. And I think that it's just great. It's a great environment, but we're outside every day and we're kind of making a difference. But ultimately, we go to a place and we say, it's kind of drab, let's enhance that.
And we'll put them right at 2 foot, and then we'll put dirt behind it.
Perfect.
And hold it.
Okay.
And then we'll go to the next panel.
So you got Gain Street, Blairstone, when they kind of widen those roads and they have those nice kind of medians and Park Avenue. We're going back now. It's been 20-something years since some of those roads were built, so we're sort of changing some of those landscapes. So we're bringing in a bit more color. FAMU Way is a great example of a more recent project, but most of those roads are becoming more and more like FAMU Way. So ultimately, we want to have a nice, diverse canopy that's going to retain the wildlife that we have. And as nice of a tree city as we are, and we value that. And so, being a responsible steward of trees is kind of an important thing to do, sure. Yeah.